Welcome to PeoplePlus Glasgow. We're up on the 4th floor. You can take the lift and follow the PeoplePlus signs, where you will be greeted by a friendly reception area. You can grab yourself a free cup of tea or coffee in our office kitchen before you see your key worker. Our Glasgow office is here to support unemployed people to get themselves to a confident and positive place in their life and, when they're ready, find sustainable employment. We do this through various government-funded employability programmes such as Fair Start Scotland. Not only are we here to help you find work that's right for you, we could also help you set up your own business. And you will also get the opportunity to join our free training programmes to upskill and gain qualifications. Just ask us about what's on offer. We're able to support you for up to 12 months before you find work, including offering signposting to organisations across the city that offer support and benefits and financial advice, health and wellbeing, industry-specific training and substance misuse. If you're not able to make it into our central Glasgow office, you can visit us at one of our community hubs across the city. We can't wait to meet you and help you on your new journey through the world of employment.